Hi and welcome to Cloud ERP. In today's video, we will be covering the basics of inventory adjustment. To begin the process, the user would need to go under Products, Inventory Tools, and select New Adjustment. Versa enables two types of adjustments, a simple adjustment and an advanced inventory adjustment. In the simple inventory adjustment, the user can update the inventory quantity and select a reason for adjustment from the drop-down. As an example, the user can type a few letters of the part number and from the list select the product. Then update the quantity, the effective date, the facility to adjust the quantity to, and add a reason for adjustment. Once you are done, click Save. And with this, the user has made a simple inventory adjustment. Now, let's proceed on creating an advanced inventory adjustment. Once the user clicks on the Advanced Adjustment, it takes them to the Advanced Inventory Adjustment page. Select the product you want to apply the adjustment to. Click on New Inventory. Now, you can update the quantity, the per unit value, and the reason for adjustment. You can also select the default GL account for the adjustment to pass through. Now, click on Post Adjustment. Once the user posts the adjustment, the screen will show the quantity, unit of measure, fee for buckets, and per unit value of the inventory. In addition, users can also manually adjust the cost of the bucket directly from the screen by clicking on the pencil icon next to the corresponding bucket. This will enable the users to update the price of the bucket in the per unit value of the adjustment quantity. Users can also change the GL account they want this adjustment to post under. Once done, Versa will show the quantities with the updated prices. Versa also enables users to add variance reason as per the business process. In this section, we will be going over on how a user can edit an existing FIFO bucket. On the inventory adjustment page, just search for the product and choose the bucket you want to adjust. Once you've decided the bucket, the user can click on the pencil icon. This will open the edit section for the bucket. In here, in the adjust quantity by field, the user can adjust the quantity up or down. We will be reducing the quantity by 2, so we will be using a -2. Once done, post adjustment. We can search for the product again, and here you will be able to see the selected bucket's quantity has been reduced from 10 to 8. Next, we will be adjusting a bucket up by 10 units. In the Edit section, under the Adjust Quantity By field, we will be using a +10. This will adjust the quantity of the bucket up by 10 units. Once done, click on Post Adjustment. Search for the product again, and we will be able to see the quantity available has gone up from 1 unit to 11 units. Now, let's create variance reasons. Users can go to the Product menu, Setup, and select Variance Reasons. This will take them to the Variance Reasons page. Under the Add a Variance Reason section, users can create a new variance. Once the details are in, users can go ahead and hit on Create New Variance Reason. This variance reason will now be visible under the list of the inventory item variance reasons. Now that the adjustment is posted, let's go ahead and check how the FIFO buckets are visible on the product page. Go to the Products menu, select View All, and on the product listing page, search for the product. Once in the product page, you can go to the Inventory tab and click on the quantity on hand. This will show the user the buckets, when was it created, and the value they were created at.